Hi everyone, welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep. If you are somebody who is targeting CLAT or other law entrance examinations, I'm sure you know the importance of reading editorials, specifically after the fact that CLAT and ALET predominantly have become reading-based examinations. But अगर आप editorial अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं, you are not getting the most out of it. A lot of people struggle with processing exactly how are you supposed to read an editorial, किस चीज पे ध्यान देना है, कैसे आर्टिकल्स पढ़ने हैं और कैसे वो एडिटोरियल्स आपका कम टाइम कंज्यूम करें. सो अ फ्यू थिंग्स यू नीड टू know why you're reading an editorial so that you make your reading effective. If you look at the article in my background, it is from the editorial page of the Hindu. Please pay attention to certain words here like squealer, like readjustment, reduction. These are certain words which will hamper your understanding if you don't know the meaning of these words. So the first thing while you're reading an editorial, please, after you've read the editorial, remember, after you've read the editorial, take out words that you do not know the meaning of. उनको एक notebook में note कीजिए उनके meaning के साथ and keep revising them. Make this as your mini dictionary, as your collection of words. I'm sure after a couple of months, initially it might be time consuming, but after a couple of months, you would see familiar words repeated again and again and again. Second, while you're reading an editorial, you might think it's very time consuming for you, but then टाइम कंज्यूमिंग उनके लिए होता है जो बिगिनर्स होते हैं, जिनको नहीं पता है क्या हो रहा है इस दुनिया में. Once you're comfortable with what's happening around the world, that is, if you give 2 months to reading the editorials regularly, trust me on that, आपका time consumption drastically fall हो जाएगा. So, regularity दिखाइए, give me 2 months, and third month, come and tell me, ma'am, thank you, my speed has increased. And the third thing that will make your reading editorials effective is always break the editorial into fragments. जैसे अगर आपने फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ पढ़ा, what is the paragraph talking about? उसका अपने दिमाग में एक पिक्चर बनाइए. सेकंड पैराग्राफ, what is it talking about? अगर आप फ्रैगमेंट्स में ब्रेक करेंगे एक पैसेज को, चाहे वो लॉन्ग हो चाहे शॉर्ट हो, it's like pieces of a jigsaw puzzle. Arrange them together and you have your main idea in front of you. Follow these 3 techniques. I'm sure you're going to read your editorials even in a better manner. Thank you so much, everyone.